Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on the topic Algo trading. Today we are going to see how to connect Kite API using Java. Let's see each step one by one. Step 1. App creation. Go to Google. Type Kite API. Click on the link kite.trade. Click sign up. And enter the information. Click sign up. I already registered here. So let's move into login page. Enter the details and click login. We need to pay 2,000 as the subscription charge. So go to billing. Click connect using Kite. So the amount of 2,000 will be taken from our trading account. Go to My Apps. Click Create New App. Enter all the details. Click Create. Type I understand and submit. OK, now the app is created. Click on the Active API. We can see API key here. Click on API secret. This is the API secret key. Step 2. Coding. Go to NetBeans. Click New Project. Enter the project name and click Finish. Right-click the package and create new JFrame form. Enter any name and click Finish. Adjust the size of frame. Go to Palette. Pick a button and place it on JFrame. Name it as Connect to Zerodha. Next, pick a label to show the profile data. Set it as null. Change the variable name to name. Go to the download link given in description. Right-click the source code and save it in a folder. Right-click the file and extract. Right-click the project. Go to Properties. Add the jar. Next, we need to add event to the button. So double-click the button. And insert your code here. Go to the link in description and copy the code. Paste the code here. Declare the variable. Copy the import data from site. And paste here. Remove unnecessary exceptions. Write the code to access the profile information. Print the username. Surround the block with try and catch. Go to the app dashboard. Click our app. Copy the API key. Replace the API key fields in program. Copy the API secret. And replace the API secret fields. Next we need request token. We should authenticate our login. To get request token. This is the authentication URL. Here add your API key at the end. After adding API key, copy the URL and paste it on browser. You are redirected to a page. The redirected URL contains request token. Copy the request token and paste it on request token field in our program. Now run the program. Click the connect button. Yes, we have successfully connected our program to Kite. Bookmark this URL in our browser, so we can quickly generate our request token. Next, add a input dialog, so we are not required to edit our code often. We are assigning this input dialog to request token. Next, run the code. Generate request token. Click connect. And paste the request token here. Yes, it's working. Next we gonna display the name in our label field. Type the code to assign username to name label. Run the code again. Yes, it's working. Step 3. Change the look and feel of our application. Go to Google. Type JTattoo. Click the first link. Download the jar. Add the jar into our library. Go to the main class. Type the following code. Surround the block with try-catch. Create the instance of our class. Let's run the code. Okay, now the style of our application is changed. Well, that's all we have for you today. In coming videos, we will see how to place orders, creating strategies, etc. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.